I believe it's important to call Allied Restoration for smoke deodorization because we have specific tools and materials that we will use to do a proper assessment. When you deal with smoke damage, we use what's called a chem sponge to pick up any soot or ash on the walls. We also understand where the smoke can travel, either through the ducts or inside of soft goods and fabrics.
Insulation by design will hold in both the odor and the particulate that is blown inside of your home.
By us having experience in the industry as professionals, we're able to do a proper assessment and dial in exactly where the odor is coming from.
And in some instances, we even employ certified industrial hygienists to come in and take air samples and verify that the air in your home is safe to breathe.
So for us, getting there right away, assessing it, and taking care of the issue will prevent you from experiencing further costs or further damages in the home, and overall, take the smoke away.